Hi, have you ever done coding for fun? Or do you just code to get a job or complete a project? Hi, this is Jyotis, and today we are going to show you how you can have fun while coding. Welcome to Learn with Tech. Hi guys, for our first challenge, the 4-hour Dev Challenge, we are going to build a simple chatbot that will give answers to all the questions for your favorite character, anime, or any movie that you like. For example, you take One Piece as your favorite anime, it should give all the answers to the questions that the user asks. For example, in which episode of One Piece this happened, and that chatbot should be able to answer it. So there are simple rules that you have to follow. That is, you'll get 30 minutes to think about this idea, how you're going to build it, and then 4 hours to build that product. And then you can use any AI or any open source API for your bot, and you can use any text. And most importantly, we should have fun. So today we have invited 3 very talented developers for this challenge.
Hello, I'm Angit. I'm a BTech final student in electronics and communication. I'm a full-stack web developer. In today's challenge, I'm building a chatbot that replies and responds to any questions related to anime and movies. So for that, I'm using ChatGPT and OpenAI API and also Next.js as a front-end frame. That's it. So stay tuned.
Hello guys, I'm Vishwa Das. I'm a backend developer, and for today's challenge, I'm building a chatbot that is related only to anime. Currently, I'm pursuing VTech degree 4th year, and I'm CSE student. So let's see how it goes.
Hello, and then I'm a backend and IoT developer, and I'm a BTech final year student in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So today I'm building a chatbot named CharáDex. It is inspired from Pokédex, about Pokemons. So we basically convey this information about all the characters of movies and animes. I will be using Google's generative AI APIs, and for the front end, I'm using our Node.js front end. So this AD.
So let's start the challenge. In 2 hours, so let's take an update and check on the guys how they are doing. Let's go. Hi Angit.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, man?
It's going fine. I'm working on the UI part.
Awesome.
What was that?
Okay.
You want to see?
Yeah, let's see. Okay, nice. Always Tanjiro. Okay, I love that. Demon Slayer. Awesome. So you're using OpenAI?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, that's Demon Master. Awesome. So it's going to be done by 4 hours, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
Awesome. Cool. I'll come back. How's then? How's it going, man?
It's going fine. It's good.
Cool. What's the name of your
So
product?
the name is CharáDex. It's inspired by the Pokédex.
Okay, cool. Awesome. So, any difficulties you're facing?
Till now, no major difficulties.
All right.
It's okay.
So you're using OpenAI?
No, I'm using a Google generative AI.
Okay, cool, awesome. So you think you'll be done in 4 hours?
Yeah, I think it should be done.
Okay, cool, man. Keep it up. Awesome. Hey, hi, Vishwa. How are you doing, man?
I'm doing well. Now my backend is ready.
All right.
So this is a postman what I have requested it.
Okay.
So you can see that it's a prompt. I basically built a chatbot which is is only for the anime.
Okay.
So I have given a prompt which is not related to anime. So let's check it up. Okay, I have this punch.
Okay, cool. So you're using OpenAI?
Yes, I am using OpenAI SDK.
Okay.
This thing.
Cool.
Go with it. So now I'll be starting with this. Like the front end is not ready yet.
All right.
So you can see that it's showing that sorry I can only answer the questions only.
Anime, manga. Okay, that's cool. So that's like kind of a niche specific you are making. Awesome. So you're just left with the UI part, right?
So look for your price search and essentially do for the user response accordingly.
Okay, cool. All right. Okay, Monkey look feels very nice, very nice. So you're just
Backend is ready.
and it's right here. Thank you, Vismoy. Keep doing your cover. So The progress is good. They've been coding for last 2 hours. So let's check out the demos after 2 hours.
So guys, we are left with only 1.5 minutes. Is that cool?
We're almost done. It's me too.
Also bit left.
Okay, let's finalize it. We'll have a demo.
One eternity later.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up.
Okay, it's done. We're done.
Okay, Ankit, show us your product demo map. Okay,
So I made this chatbot. I named it Animator.me. So it has two experience. One is anime expert, and the other is movie work. As the name suggests, anime expert gives you answers and recommendations based on all the animes.
alright.
And similarly, movie gives you answers and suggestions.
Cool.
Okay, cool. Let us start.
Yeah.
So which you want to choose first?
I'm an anime geek, so make anime expert. Okay.
So let's start. And do you have any questions?
Yeah, ask him like about Bakugo. Like about Bakugo, yeah. Tell us about Bakugo. Okay, yeah, nice. Can you tell us a bit about the APIs and backends that you have built? Okay.
Yep. The code base is pretty simple. So the most important part here is this one.
Okay.
So we have used OpenAI SDK for that.
Okay.
We have initialized the client here. It's simple. It's pretty simple. We have to pass the API key here, and since it's only running in front end in browser, so we have to set this flag to true.
That is super cool, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a pure front end app. It doesn't need to be backend.
Okay.
Okay.
Everything we are facing from OpenAI is
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
So the most important part here is the handle submit one. So when we click on the submit button, in the send button, this function runs, and what is basically does it takes the input as prompt, and it sends to the ChatGPT AI, means the API, and the response it gets is later appended into this.
Alright.
That's a pretty basic.
Nice, not plus. Super cool. Okay, thank you. Okay. Hey, Vishwan, let's talk about your product.
So I have created an Anibot. My product name is Anibot. So basically we can chat with this. So what I've created is a anime character. So she can tell about anything and everything.
So do you have named her or?
I haven't named that, but I have those Anibot.
Alright. let's ask her something.
Yeah, let's ask her something.
Really? Yeah. Okay. Well, how many more episodes? Like how many episodes of One Piece are there? One Piece. One Piece are there.
Takes a little bit up.
Alright. Again, One Piece has how many?
How does it?
How can last?
Yeah, that's pretty accurate. And another thing is that it can create a foil on One Piece.
Alright. Let's see.
Create a foil One Piece.
Perfect. See, that's super boon.
Extrude.
I use the book, The Tale of Pirates, bold and free in the vast ocean where dreams roam free. Okay, that's super good, man. Super good. Let's talk about the codes and APIs.
So here is the API what I've used. It's based on the OpenAI SDK.
Okay.
So here what I used is first I have done that getting the response as I can do basically. So here what I have done is to separate it from the normal GPT or the normal chatbot.
Okay.
I've again queried the GPT or the API. I've used the API key to ask the ChatGPT itself that is it an anime question or no.
Okay.
If it is not, then it is where there is a prompt like here. I can only talk about the anime.
Okay. So you have made it more niche specific, like anime.
Yes, it is for only anime. So if we see here, if we ask something, who is the president of Assam. Like here, then there's it will show something like
Okay.
I can talk with you.
I cannot talk about any. Alright.
So that is a way.
So do you have any question, Ankit?
No, I would have asked him that only, that how will his chatbot respond? He can ask some
Weird questions.
weird questions.
You whatever you wanna.
I don't really have the questions.
But it's a super cool, right? It is very short time. The mail is the yes. The UI is also great, and you have made a separate backend for it.
Made a separate backend. It has the backend folder and this is the printer.
Okay, nice. Let's give him a clap. Awesome. Thank you, Miss Ma. Oh, then let's talk about your project, man.
Okay, so my chatbot is basically named CharáDex. It is inspired by the Pokédex.
Okay.
So we can ask him any questions about movies or anime characters. He tries to give us the best answer it can find.
All right. Do you have any question?
Who is the strongest Hasira in demonstrate?
Okay, so I'll ask him.
Who is the strongest Hashira? In Demon Slayer.
Yeah. So it's trying to generate a response.
Okay.
So it has given.
Yeah.
So it says that it's your image. That is strongest as
That's super good, man. And what API are you using for that?
So basically, I'm using Google Generative API.
Okay.
So there is a handle prompt functionality, which basically first considers the history and context of what we are talking about, and then gives us the best answer depending on the prompt that we provide.
Okay, that is super cool. Awesome. So, like, it only gives answers about anime.
Yes,
and
it will only give us answers.
No different one.
No different one.
Cool, right? So, do you have any questions, Mr. Monkey?
I have a question.
Yep.
But why this name CharáDex?
So CharáDex because it's inspired from the Pokédex, which is basically an index of all the characters of Pokemon. So CharáDex is an index of all the characters of movies in cinema.
Awesome. Ankit,
Can you write one prompt?
okay.
Again, any prompt.
Okay,
Let's see.
who is the father of Naruto? Naruto.
So we
It's Namikaze.
Okay, so what about your past chats? Why it's not?
So basically, I wanted to make it like an actual conversation with the CharáDex, where we put a prompt and it gives us the answer. If someone wants to view the message which he searched a few times before, so he can basically go to the chat history and then check it. But since in normal conversation we don't usually speak like 3 sentences ago I said this, 2 sentences ago I said this. So to make it like a real conversation,
User friendliness, right?
User friendliness.
That is very good.
By default, the history is hidden.
Awesome. That's great. That's great. Awesome.
So it was my first time on such type of events where there was no competition. We were given tasks, we built it, we enjoyed, we ate, we drank, not alcohol, but juice. So it was a very good experience, and it was a pretty energetic experience. We all enjoyed, and how the 4 hours passed, I didn't even realize. It was just awesome.
So it was a nice experience. The 4 hours passed. We learned new things, and moreover we made new friends here. So it was a nice experience. I liked it too much, and let's see what happens next.
So yeah, I really liked the experience. It was definitely a challenge doing all of the work in under 4 hours, designing the website and all, and doing all the designing stuff, and then fixing the errors and all. So yeah, we got to learn a lot, and I hope it helps in this future.
Hey guys, if you like the video, please give us a subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, because your support will help us to make more videos in the coming days. And if you want to be a part of these videos, go to our website, send us a query or an email. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Till then, learn with Tech.